Hello, staff and students of CSU Monterey Bay. My name is Justin Nguyen of Cohort 14, and I'm presenting today AI Capone, a blockchain security auditing platform. So the introduction, I'm Justin Nguyen, the sole developer behind AI Capone with a passion for cybersecurity and a drive to enhance blockchain security, and I'm embarking on a journey to create a bug bounty platform. AI Capone is an automated test platform designed to strengthen the security of blockchain systems. With bug bounty platforms like ImmuneFi and potential collaborations with blockchain stakeholders like Chainlink, Lido, and Consensus, I'm committed to delivering a cutting-edge technology to succeed in this competitive field. Join me as I take you through the development process of AI Capone. So, for starters, let's talk about the necessary vocabulary of this project. What's a vulnerability and exploit? They are weaknesses in software or systems that can be exploited to compromise security. Exploits are techniques to take advantage of these vulnerabilities. Understanding vulnerabilities and exploits is crucial for securing software. What's a vulnerability disclosure program, aka a bug bounty program? They are initiatives where organizations invite ethical hackers and security researchers to find vulnerabilities in their systems. These programs encourage responsible disclosure of security issues in exchange for rewards. Ethical hacking involves authorized attempts to identify vulnerabilities in systems, applications, or networks. Ethical hackers use their skills to help organizations improve their security and protect against potential threats. What's a security audit? They are systemic assessments of softwares, systems, or networks to identify security weaknesses or potential risks. These audits help ensure that systems are secure and compliant with industry standards. Decentralized finance, aka DeFi, blockchain, and Web3. Decentralized DeFi refers to a movement that aims to transform traditional financial systems using blockchain technology. Blockchain, the foundation of DeFi, is a distributed and secure digital ledger. Web3 represents the evolution of the internet towards a decentralized applications. With our smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into the code. These are what we're automating and auditing. These contracts automate processes, enabling trust and transparency in transactions without intermediaries. And damn vulnerable DeFi. It's a war game training simulation, which serves as a training module to teach common vulnerabilities of smart contract development. We'll talk about this more in the implementation phase of our presentation. So currently, the field of blockchain security faces numerous challenges. Traditional manual security audits and bug hunting processes are time-consuming, prone to human errors, and often struggle to keep up with rapidly evolving threats in decentralized finance. Moreover, there's a lack of comprehensive and automated solutions that could efficiently identify vulnerabilities, provide actionable insights, and ensure the robustness of blockchain systems. This creates a pressing need for an advanced and automated test platform that can reinforce the security of smart contracts, Docker containers, and blockchain nodes, addressing vulnerabilities and risks that plague the DeFi ecosystem. AI Capone aims to fill this critical gap by leveraging artificial intelligence and automation to revolutionize blockchain security testing and empowers developers, security researchers, and businesses in safeguarding their digital assets. Now, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, automation, and advanced testing methodology is one of the problem solutions of AI Capone. We also have comprehensive test infrastructure hosted on Azure environment. We have AI-trained playbooks and attacks for assessing smart contracts, Docker containers, and DeFi infrastructure on Azure. We empower developers, security professionals, and blockchain stakeholders. Strategic integration and web scraping data from platforms like ImmuneFi, Sherlock, and Hackenproof, which are all bug bounty programs for the DeFi space. So here's an implementation of one of the key damn vulnerability DeFi hard hat tests. This is the unstoppable challenge that I was able to execute successfully locally on my MacBook machine. Now, the damn vulnerability DeFi serves as a critical training ground for understanding key vulnerabilities in blockchains and smart contracts. This war game style simulation immerses developers in various exploit scenarios, imparting hands-on experience in identifying and addressing security weaknesses. AI Capone leverages the insights gained from damn vulnerable DeFi to bolster its own playbook, enabling enabling identification and testing of vulnerabilities similar to those highlighted in the Wargame. This integration allows AI Capone's ability to provide comprehensive security assessments, contributing to a more robust and secure blockchain ecosystem. Also, for our implementation, we got accepted into the Microsoft for Startups Founders Hub, specifically using Azure, which has been a strategic move in the development of AI Capone. AI Capone is currently in the ideate phase and currently have access to $2,000 of crowd credits or 1 year. It's a multi-stage startup acceleration program and can be eligible for $5,000 in more Azure credit if we decide to incorporate. We can even gain up to 150,000 in credit if we are able to grow and scale further. The partnership with Microsoft not only offer technical support, but also an ecosystem of resources and expertise that aligns with our vision. This implementation underscores our commitment to building a robust and future-ready platform for blockchain security testing. And Azure is also the home of OpenAI, for which we leverage with the development of AI Capone. Struggles. Obviously, the limitation of language learning models is one struggle of AI. In the future, we plan to utilize deep learning, neural networks, or machine learning as well. We encountered major bugs during development. We had migration issues with Azure environment, and that caused significant downtime in development. Balancing a full-time job while developing was also a major struggle. And working alone, finding the right partners was definitely a struggle. So let's go over the product that I managed to muster together. This is the login, very early prototype login of our web application. So for now, I don't have any authentication set up or users, so I could just log in and I bypassed it. So it's a very bare bones smart contract dashboard that we have, but we have the auth manager address here, and we have web scrape data of different Lido platforms, Lido on Kusama, Lido on Polkadot, Lido on Polygon, and some contracts on from Lido on Solana. And as you can see here, conceptually, we have web scrape contracts of different locations of their systems. So in the future, we'll be able to run our AI trained tests that we learned from our damn vulnerable DeFi learning by pressing these buttons. And also in the future, when we explore, we'll be able to scrape and search for more types of more bounty eligible targets that we find on ImmuneFi and the other bug bounty programs that we disclose. So this is where the magic happens for the web scraping behind the scenes. And if we run this script, we can and specify the search parameter. We have all of our smart contracts that we are going to test in the future here. For example, we have GMX here. We have all of our contracts from Chainlink here. And this is the damn vulnerable DeFi challenge. So these are many challenges that go through different scenarios where developers have to secure and exploits and vulnerabilities that we can test against other smart contracts. So this is the JavaScript exploit that I was able to write, and it basically tests against these Solidity contracts, exploits them, and steals money from the cryptocurrency from the address pool. Our impact and benefits. AI Capone empowers developers and businesses to enhance security of decentralized finance systems. We encourage proactive vulnerability detection and fortification of blockchain infrastructure. We contribute to a safer and more reliable DeFi ecosystem. We have for the benefits, we have automated and efficient. In the future, we'll have automated and efficient security auditing system for smart contracts, Docker containers, and DeFi infrastructure. AI trained playbooks and attacks provide advanced testing capabilities, strategic integrations with clients like ImmuneFi, Chainlink, Lido, and Consensus will enhance security measures. Future plans, we will have continuous improvement and refinement of AI Capwn's capabilities. We'll expand our SQL database features for better practices on web scraping collection. We will complete the automated tests from damn vulnerable DeFi war games. We'll expand our AI models and algorithms, and we'll integrate additional social networking features, and then, of course, enter hackathons and bug bounty programs. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and look out in the future for AI Capwn. This is certainly a project that's a passion project of mine, and I'll be continuing after graduation and beyond. So thank you.